Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening Google Classroom and choosing the class you'll share. Once there, go to Stream or Classwork, wherever the assignment or announcement lives, and locate the item you plan to share. Click the three dots or the Share button on that post, then select Copy Link or Get Link. This gives you a direct URL students can use. Make sure you're copying the correct item link rather than the class code or a different resource. Next, decide who can access the link and why. Choose students, anyone in your domain, or external viewers if appropriate. Once done, compose a brief, clear message explaining what the link leads to and any required actions, due dates, materials, or steps. Then paste the copied URL into an announcement, assignment, or your email client. Make sure to attach any files, set due dates, and double-check visibility settings so students won't hit permission errors when they follow the link. Finally, post the announcement or assign the task and click Send, or assign so students receive the link in Classroom, and by email if selected. Once posted, verify the link by opening it in an incognito window or using Student View to confirm it resolves correctly and permissions are right. If someone reports an error, check the original file or folders sharing settings and change from restricted to anyone with link or add your student's domain. Then recopy and repost the corrected link to avoid repeated access issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.